Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restore the forgotten PIN code on your HP 255. First thing that you're gonna have to do is click I forgot my PIN underneath the PIN code field. If you don't see this option right here, try entering the wrong PIN code several times into this field and eventually this option will appear beneath. Click on it, and then if you have a Microsoft account connected with your laptop, you'll be able to proceed with the instructions I'm gonna give you in this video. But if you have an account set up locally, you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself in order to restore your PIN code. And if you don't know the answers, any of the answers, then unfortunately you're going to have to perform a factory reset operation by reinstalling Windows on your laptop. But well, the better news is that we have a video on how to do that on our channel, so you're welcome to check it out. But yeah, if you have a Microsoft account, all you have to do is just click send code on the following page. You will receive a code to your email address, the one that is linked with your Microsoft account. You're gonna have to open your email and check for this for the one that you received, and enter the code from the email you received from Microsoft on this page. Then click sign in, then click continue, and then set up a new PIN code for your account on the following page. Make sure that you remember it this time. Enter it 2 times, then click continue, and wait until you are signed into your account. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.